Hi there once again from Barcelona on ISE 2022. Real life in Barcelona the first time, so we're very excited to show our installed products here. You see here our Vortis range, and as you can see directly from the top and also here on the wall printed, the main features of our installed series are a lot of certifications that you need as a system integrator for bigger and smaller installs. We have IP55, we have the EN-45, so we have very high temperature ranges, and you get these boxes very customizable. You can choose the dispersion, you can either vertical or horizontal, you can turn them. There are very many rigging options to put the boxes on the wall or fly them. Depending on this application, you really need it. And as one of the main things also, we have the simulation data here so that you can really see how your product will turn out in the future. That's about it for our Vortis. If you want to know more and see the other bigger brothers on the series, visit our website hkaudio.com or contact us on social media, Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn.